Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. So this first assignment that you have is looking at a PowerPoint Google slide presentation on the elements and principles. So this presentation is really meant as a review. You are reviewing the 7 elements of art and 7 principles of art because these are the things that you're going to be using primarily in this class going forward for the next 16 days. So as I said to you in the introduction, the focus and emphasis is going to be on the principles of art, and that's how you're going to be creating works of art. So that's the second part of this Google slide presentation. But the first part is the elements. So looking at lines, shapes, textures, colors, values, space, and form, and what it literally means and how it can be used in a little bit of a less literal sense. So you're going to open up this Google slide presentation. I've given you the directions within the assignment, and you are going to open up this assignment as your own copy. So I've given you permissions to download this as your own copy. In the upper left-hand corner, when you open up this Google slide presentation, it should have your name and then the title of the Google slide presentation, which is the Elements of Art or Introduction to Elements of Art, something to that effect. If you run into any issues, again, I'm going to keep on reiterating this. You need to reach out to me and let me know. If you get a view only message, you need to reach out to me and let me know. I have made this as everyone's own copy, but again, in the past, I've had some students run into some issues. So please, please, please make sure that when you open up this Google slide presentation that you are opening it up, you're downloading it as a Google slide presentation, and that opens up as your own copy. If it's view only, you're not going to be able to directly write into it. So again, please, please contact me if you are having any issues with that. You're going to go through the Google slide presentation. You're going to every couple of slides is going to ask you a question, usually having to do with the slide previously. So a lot of the answers that you're going to find are going to be embedded within this presentation. You have the internet at your fingertips, so you're also going to be asked to do a little bit of research online, and then to incorporate your information that you found online into this Google slide presentation. So please take advantage of that. As I said to you in the directions of this assignment, this is the only one that you're really going to have to do any research online and then just kind of pick and choose and copy and paste what you find online into this Google slide presentation. Going forward, you're not going to really have a lot of that happening for you. It's just this introduction assignment. So just so you know. When you're done with the Google slide presentation assignment, you're going to save it as your own copy. It should already be saved in your Google Drive. Then you're going to go back to the classroom, and when you go to turn it in, which is in the upper right-hand corner, I believe, you are going to submit this back to me. So your own copy, again, it should have your name on it, and you're going to submit it right back to me for a grade. If you submit this Google presentation or just simply turn it in and nothing is attached to it, you're not going to get credit for it. If you attach this Google slide presentation as your own copy but have not written anything into the slides, you're not going to get credit for it. So just so you know, you actually have to download it, do the work, and then submit the work in order to get credit for it. All right, so again, please let me know if you have any questions or run across any concerns or issues. I'll be more than happy to help you.